My story, huh? Take a ride.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another trucking vlog. We took about 10 hours and 40 minutes off last night. We could have taken as much as we wanted, honestly, because we could use this sleeper split, because we have enough hours on our clock right now to make it to the Menards. So say we woke up at like 9 p.m. or whatever and drove, and then we did like a 2-hour split and then pulled in there at 9 a.m. you know, we'd be fine. So, but that's not the case. It's currently 11:30 and we're rolling out. So we have 622 miles to cover today. I'm gonna stop here in about 126 miles and grab some lunch because I'm hungry and Denny's is not good enough for lunch. So, and like, I'm on a diet, so it's gonna be just like a chicken sandwich, I think, because I'm stopping at a Hardee's, so I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna get the grilled chicken club sandwich. That'll be my lunch, and then my dinner I'll do my protein shake and my protein bar and my pickles and my crackers. But when I started rolling out this morning, I noticed this place out of Culver's. I just let them go. I'm not going anywhere special. But there's a Culver's right over there, and they have like a new like barbecue beef brisket sandwich, and I haven't tried it, so I'm actually wanting to try it. So hopefully when I go home on home time, it's still at Culver's. Today is May 11th, guys, and this is just gonna be my 1-year video because tomorrow is my 1-year mark, but I need to record this video and try to get it uploaded as soon as I can towards that 1-year mark. But I mean, guys, over the last year, we've uploaded 231 videos for you guys, and like 231 trucking vlogs, dude. Like, when you think about that number, there's 365 days in a year, right? So we're 134 days short of having a trucking video every single day. But you gotta figure, I went home, you know, obviously there's stuff where I wasn't in the truck, all that, and I know it wasn't 134 days that I wasn't in the truck, but I just want to say thank you guys so much, because over the last year, it's been a ride. You know, we went from nothing to 8,000 of you guys. 8,000, dude. Like, I can't even comprehend how many people that is. You know, I just want to say thank you to all of you. It's just been a pleasure to keep producing content, and I know it's probably not the best quality there is out there, but I'm trying to give you guys more of like an actual day in the life, and I try to stay consistent with my uploads. That way you guys get more of a day-to-day basis of, after this truck we should be good, but a day-to-day basis of what it's like being a truck driver. Come on, dude, why are you going so slow? You know, and obviously I can't upload every day. Some of you would get tired of seeing that, some of you would love it, but it's just a lot. And right now at GP, you know, we've been working our fanny off to run the miles they're giving us, and I'm so grateful for these miles, because at CFI I wasn't getting nothing close to this, you know. And so we've been pushing it and pushing it and pushing it, and you know, we finally are getting the miles we've been wanting for the longest time. Oh gosh, I was so focused on this truck over here. It's a good thing I paid attention. I'm going over this way. I'm going that way. Maybe if I can get over there. Come on. Stare at me all you want, buddy. You went in because and now you made these guys wait. Alright, we need to get going, because these guys in the fuel island are just gonna keep coming, so we need to get ready for our back here. Alright, where's our spot at? wonder where that dump truck went. I can't see him. He better not be behind me. That'd be really stupid. He didn't come. Good, smart guy. But I'm about to get some lunch. I'm pretty hungry. And get our lunch and probably get our dinner too, because we're planning on stopping at a rest area tonight. We are gonna have to stop at some point and fuel up, just because we got like 500 more miles to cover today. $4.99. All right, so we stopped and got some lunch. The problem is that this Love's that has the Hardee's in it, they don't serve grilled chicken sandwiches anymore. So I had to. This guy's literally in my way. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to turn it. The problem is that they don't serve the grilled chicken anymore. So I had to get that one chicken sandwich. It was pretty good, the hand-breaded one. It was pretty good, but it had a little bit more calories than the grilled, and that was kind of upsetting, honestly, because I asked them if it was nationwide or just this Hardee's location, and they couldn't give me an answer. So I guess we're gonna find out. I just felt like the grilled chicken probably sold more than anything else, because that's probably stupid to think. I don't know. I'm just like, I love hamburgers, but if I can get a grilled chicken sandwich, I'll get one, because I eat enough beef as it is. But we have 140 miles to go, and then we're gonna stop at this Love's and fuel up. Should be about right. I try to get fuel at a quarter, so it might be a little bit above a quarter of a tank when we get fuel, but that's okay. So to turn in here, it took 3 minutes because there's so much traffic. I think everyone's getting off work or something. Maybe there's a big factory down there or something. But it took like 3 or 4 minutes to make that left-hand turn into the Love's. I was right on the money, just a little bit above a quarter. I figured that's where we'd be at though. So I'm gonna go ahead and top her off here, and then we still got like 350 miles to cover tonight. So hopefully we can make it. I think 300, we should be fine. It's like a way station that I'm parking at like 6 miles down the road from my delivery in the morning. But I think I'm gonna have to do an 8-2 split, so I hope I have the hours. It's gonna suck if I don't, because I'll be late. And then I'll probably be stopped in North Dakota for the 34. Well, the sun's obviously in my eyes. We got 138 miles left today, and we literally have 2 hours and 22 minutes to cover it, but we keep running into these 40-mile-an-hour construction zones where they shift us over to the eastbound lanes. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it, but it's not good, because right now we're looking at an ETA to where we're going at 10:09, which that's not even right, because I can't do 75. So it's probably gonna be like 10:20, and we're gonna be 40 miles out. So we're gonna be late, and I don't know. It just sucks. I should have taken my 30-minute break later today, but I took it. I took it at Love's because I was hungry, but I should have kept going, so then I could have made it all the way here tonight. But if I take a 30-minute break, then I don't think the Menards has truck parking, so probably gonna be like 10-15 minutes late to our delivery. All right, so I called the store I'm going to and made sure I could park there overnight. They said yes, but we're gonna do a split, so we're gonna take 2 hours off here, and then we're gonna continue on. We got about 96 miles to go. We're gonna just pull in here, park, do a little split. It might take like an hour nap, and then drive the 100 miles, and then park at the place we're delivering to tomorrow. Oh my goodness, there's so many spots here. I don't even know what to take. I'll just take like this one right here. I don't even know how far to pull up, dude. These are wide spots, bro. Oh my goodness. I guess that's probably because it's a little tight. I think that's probably good. Well, that guy's got, we'll back up just a little bit here. Anyways, we're gonna do our split and we're gonna head out. So this is gonna be a little bit fun. Oh my goodness. Menards is right here, that's where we're delivering. But we gotta make a left-hand turn here. Then hopefully Trucker Path is telling me the right entrance. I'm gonna find out here real quick. I hope I can get to the place from this road right here. It looks like I can, so we're gonna go for it. Looks like we already got some trucks waiting here. I don't know what time their appointment is, but oh, they got the back locked off. Oh, you can't get back there. But he said to park like where the cars park, but towards the back of the lot is what the guy told me on the phone.
In 1/4 mile,
So
turn left on White's Avenue, then take the first left.
can we park over by this guy? Or should we do what that guy told us to do? Let me look at this here. I mean, it looks like there's a ton of cars parked there in the morning. I guess I don't know if that's the morning or not, but I'll just park beside him. Make sure there's no light poles that I might hit. Don't want to hit a light pole, that's for sure. I mean, I could park like this back here. No, I should go park next to that guy. Where'd that light pole go? We'll just do what that guy told us to do. Whatever. This is where he told us to park. I'm back far enough. Yeah, I am. Alright, well, this is where we're gonna park for the night. Alright guys, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for future content. I know this video is short, but we'll see you guys in the next one. Also, thank you for a year of memories. I almost forgot, I should have talked more about that today, but this is my 1 year video. And it is the 12th now, it's 1 a.m., so it is 1 year. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. I love y'all. Peace!
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.